Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial of this look I have on my face right here. This is day 8 of my 31 days of beauty challenge and I have been loving all the feedback I've been getting on all my looks. If you do not know, for the 31 days of July I am doing a different makeup look and I'm uploading an extra video on Tuesdays, which is usually the makeup look of that day. Today's look is a look I've done before but I didn't do it so well, so I never posted about it or anything. But today I am here with this beautiful pink cut crease with the pink liner. Before we get started with today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Almost. And I would love for you to join the Deola Adebiyi family here on my side of the internet. As you're clicking on that subscribe button, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with this look. Alright, let's get started. I've already done my brows on camera. My left brow is a bit wonky because there's a pimple there, but let's not pay that any matter. I am putting down a base of concealer. This is going to be like my eyeshadow primer for this look. This look is really easy if you know how to do a cut crease. It's very simple. I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette and I'm using this specific pink shade. I really like this pink shade because it's pink and it shows up on my skin. There's some pinks that don't look so good on my skin, but this pink really shows up and shows through. So I'm going to be using that all over my eyes. I'm going to be taking that all the way up there because this is a cut crease and I really want the pink to show. I'm using a fluffy blending brush to apply this pink and to blend it into that area of my eye. After doing that, I am going to cut the crease with some concealer. I'm going to take the concealer I used before, then I'm going to use an angled brush. Now, doing this cut crease was so hard for some weird-ass reason. I do not know why, but just cutting the crease on my right eye was really hard and slightly annoying, but we pushed through, and we did it. As you can see, I'm getting slightly frustrated. I don't know why. I don't know if I didn't have enough concealer or I didn't have, the brush was wrong, but when I did it off camera on my left eye, it worked. So I don't know what happened, but let's move past that. Cutting the crease right now. Then I'm going to set the area that I put the concealer with this bone shadow from the palette. This was also hard. I do not know why. The brush wasn't picking up the product wasn't sticking to the concealer. There was so much going wrong. After setting it, I used the shimmery shade so I could add some, some shimmer, some shine to the eye. I thought it would look really nice. Then I went back with concealer and another angled brush so I could draw the wing for this look. Because I was using eyeshadow and I wasn't using a colored lip liner or anything, I needed a base to put down so that the eyeshadow would stick and stay where I wanted it to stay. So I used an angled brush and some concealer, and then I used a thicker brush to pick up that same pink and put it right where I put the concealer, so we have a beautiful pink winged liner. For some weird reason, again, it wasn't working, but then it finally, picked up the product and it finally started to show properly on my eyelids. Then just to clean it up, I use some concealer to kind of elongate it and shapen it so it looks nice. Then I blended it out with a flat foundation brush. I'm gonna do the next eye off camera because I really needed to. And then I came back. Colossal Volume Express Mascara for my lashes. This is actually one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. I use it for all my looks, honestly. I love this mascara so much. Then for my skin, I'm going in with the Baby Skin Primer. This is from Maybelline and I love it so much. It's so beautiful. It fills in my pores, just makes me feel and look really nice. I'm setting down my primer with a layer of loose powder because this really helps with oil control and allows my makeup to last longer. Today's foundation is the Glam Beauty foundation. I really like this foundation because it makes my skin look so good and it's so blendable. It's like velvet on the skin. It's not matte, it's just like a natural beautiful matte. I just love the way it makes my skin look. It just makes my skin look good. Also, it's one of those few foundations that matches my neck. It actually matches my neck because my neck is a bit lighter than my face. My concealer today is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to be applying this under my eyes, my chin, above my lips, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I'm blending it out with a beauty sponge. By the way, if you notice that the lighting is changing, it's because I was filming as the sun was rising, so the lighting kind of was wonky on me, but it's fixed now. It looks very good and it's been fixed right now. I apologize on the lighting. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. This is absolutely my favorite setting powder. Like I love this powder. It makes my under eyes look so good. It makes it look matte but not too matte because I have really dry under eyes, especially with the way that I use it with this big brush. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. I don't need to contour anymore because of this. The way I do my makeup now allows me not to contour, and I just have like a natural contour. To add a little bit of glowiness to the skin, I'm going to be using the House of Tara Flawless Skin Finishing Powder. It's like a highlight, but not a very glowy highlight, so I just use it to add like a little bit of shimmer and glow to the skin. Then for a real highlight, I'm going to be using the highlight from the e.l.f. Contour and Highlight palette. This is the deep version of the palette, and the highlight is bomb. It is absolutely bomb. I love the highlight, and I love the way it just looks on my skin. For blush, I'm going to be using blush today, and this is the blush from Zara Cosmetics. It's called Rose Charm. Yeah, it's very pigmented, as you can see. I always add a little bit, then I blend it out with my powder brush, because if I just apply it like that, I'll look like a clown. I'll honestly look like a fucking clown. To get rid of the powdery look, I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus. I'm sorry, my words are weird. Words are weird in my mouth. I'm going to finish up my eyes by just applying mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm not adding any shadow there. I'm just applying mascara because I want it to have like an open look. Then for my lips, first starting off with the Zara lipstick pen in the shade Muse. One of my favorite lipstick pens. And then I'm going to be using the Black Opal Color Stick lipstick in the shade Purr. That's P-U-R-R. Purr. Finishing off this look by just applying some setting spray. This is the Maybelline 24-hour locking makeup locking setting spray, and I'm just gonna apply this to my face to lock in the makeup, and that is it. And that is it for the look, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the look or if you hated the look, let me know in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and I love replying to them. I love my family, yo. I love you all. Let's just come in for a hug. If you are interested in meeting me, this is a beach party that I planned literally last minute. I'm having a beach party in 2 weeks on the 21st of July. If you're interested in coming out to my beach party and having fun with me, I'm going to be playing the music. There's going to be a customized menu of food. Everything is going to be so cool. I hope. I'm crossing my fingers. If you're interested in meeting me and seeing one of my looks in person and just like hanging out with me and my friends, there is going to be a link in the description box below where you can sign up to my party. Thank you guys so much once again for watching and for following and for sharing and for just being here for me. I love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. When I wake in the morning and I realize I look from my bedroom window, what a day, what a morning. And I realize I was conscious but I'm empty, I'm in love. You keep acting like you didn't see me. It's alright, I'll sit tight, interconnected, so don't have feelings. I won't fight. It's not right. It's not right. I'm attracted by the way you move, and girl, you got me darling. All the things you do, ain't nothing can stop me. DJ, put a light as a speak. I can't rap this part, but I love it. So I try to rap it and I fail. Oh, this is one of my favorite songs that I found on Apple Music. It's by Yuna. It's called Blank Marquee. I love the beat. Just wait. Who are you without me? Just a blank marquee. Trying to cop my stage. It's on POV. Your toxicity